अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम सिविल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट करने जा रहे हैं। जी रेडी? 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। नो पर्सन कैन ट्रांसफर टाइटल विच ही हिमसेल्फ डज नॉट possess full stop as the original sale in favor of petitioner number 1 has been held to have not been proved, comma, petitioner number 1 himself had no title in the property to transfer the same by way of gift, and therefore, comma, gift in favor of petitioner number 2 also falls through, and it is held that the alleged transaction of gift is also invalid, comma, void and inoperative against the ownership rights of the respondents, full stop, new para. Argument of the learned counsel for the petitioners to the effect that since the evidence had already been recorded when the petitioner number 2 was impleaded as a party to the suit, and comma, therefore, comma, the whole trial stands vitiated, comma, in as much as the evidence so recorded could not have been used against him, comma, is also misconceived, full stop, as held earlier, comma, the dispute relates to the transaction of sale in favor of respondent number 1, comma, which has been held to be non-existent, full stop. Consequently, comma, it was not at all necessary to record the evidence afresh after impleading petitioner number 2 as a party to the suit, comma, in as much as, comma, he claimed title through petition number 1 who had fully contested the suit and in whose presence evidence of the petitioners was recorded, full stop. Even otherwise, comma, petition number 2 never agitated the point before lower courts and never demanded that the evidence in the case should be recorded afresh, full stop. Therefore, comma, no fault can be found with the judgments of the learned courts below on this court, full stop, new para. Argument of the learned counsel for the petitioners to the effect that the suit is barred by time is also misconceived, full stop. Petitioner number 1 was in possession of the land as a tenant at the time of sanctioning of the alleged mutation of the sale, full stop. He having been inducted as a tenant, comma, cannot claim adverse to what was acquired by him in a lawful manner, full stop, as the transaction has been held to have been proved, comma, no period of limitation can stand against the owners to seek a declaration of title against a person whose possession was as that of a tenant and against a person who claims title from the tenant, full stop. It is an established principle of law that once a tenant is always a tenant, full stop. The petitioners had not claimed adverse possession, nor they could plead the same in the light of their pleadings and in view of the law laid down in the case of Ghulam Qadir versus Ahmad Yar and others PLD 1990 Supreme Court 1049, wherein their lordships of the Supreme Court have held as under semicolon.